Hello, this is James Ray, and it is middle of March, and I'm in East Texas, and I wanted to show you my fruit garden. This is my Persian lime tree, and I have it growing in a raised bed because it floods right here, but around the trunk I have a tube to protect the trunk from getting trunk rot, and I also throw some compost in there, and I think I got a potato plant, and over here I have a Meyer lemon tree. This was, most of my trees were planted last year, about the same time, so they're a year old, and I'm just now starting to get some blooms starting, like right here. And the next one here is another Meyer lemon tree, and you can see the besides the mold on the leaves, you can see that the flowers are starting to come out and smell so good. And here I started my espalier wire, and I'm going to grow this little grape right here. Is a seedless white Thompson, and I just got that 2 days ago and planted it, and I'm going to put them on these wires I fixed up yesterday. And here is another Meyer lemon tree. This is my citrus row here, so it's going to be a lot of citrus, and you can see the blooms on it. And we have a Belinda's Dream Rose, and a lot of black spot on this hybrid tea rose, and another Belinda's Dream Rose. And here I have a Satsuma plum. Satsuma mandarin. Sorry, I'm looking at the plum tree. Satsuma mandarin, and it's got some new shoots growing on it. This is I planted this one last year. This is one of my last citrus trees I planted. And over here I have a grapefruit, red Rojo grapefruit, and this is a year old too, and I got some peas growing up the back. I'm going to put those up on it, and have another espalier wire. I have two espalier wires that I'm going to put this red seedless Thompson table grape on. And here I have another red Rojo grapefruit, and I got a pea growing in it, and an ant bed also, and some strawberries. And I stuck that lemon branch in there because I heard that citrus will get will shoo away ants, and we're gonna see if that works. And over here, starting my next row, I have a Burbank plum tree in a box, and it's got some nice flowers on it, and hopefully we'll be getting some plums pretty soon. Also, I got a strawberry plant inside my raised bed, and some beans and potatoes. And over here I have a Concord grape, and I'm gonna espalier this up this tomato cage. And I have two beans and some marigolds growing there, and another sweet pea. And here's my espalier wire for this, and I'm going to start to espalier this one. And this one here is a ornate pear tree, and I tried attempting to graft another type of pear because I heard that it's a sterile species, and so hoping that my graft is gonna work. I think I was a little bit late. There's another graft I made up there, And I have some strawberries and pea and some lettuce there growing. And over here I have another ornate pear. I kind of like this one. I'm kind of just cutting it without the, keeping it trim without the wires. And got another graft there, and I got some leaves coming out on this one, so I'm kind of happy to see what happens with that. And here's another ornate pear tree. Orient, maybe I'm saying it wrong. Orient pear tree, Asian pear. Maybe someone can correct me if I'm wrong. I have a mango growing from seed. I started last year, and it lasted. And I have another mango over here, started from seed. Let's see if I can show you a little better. I need something to get those things to take off. I don't know what's going on. And I have some kale around this olive tree. Funny thing, this olive tree was just doing really bad. Like I have the leaves were like this here, burnt, and but ever since I had the kale around it, the leaves have been somewhat nice, somewhat pretty nice. Over here I have a pineapple guava. I got some buds coming on that, and some kale around that. And over here I have another pineapple guava. And here I have another pineapple guava. And here I have a loquat tree. And I heard these things fruit every other year, so I'm kind of, I don't think I'm going to get any fruit off this one. And here's another loquat tree I have. And my roses, here is one of my Belinda's Dreams. That's what they're supposed to look like there. And another Belinda's Dream, and I have a yellow rose in the center, and Belinda's Dream, and Belinda's Dream, and some rosemary, and a couple of aster plants that I'm trying here. I have some sweet mint that's growing really, really good and smells really wonderful. And over here I have some peppermint growing, and here I have some peaches. I forget what kind of peach it is, but over here this is a Santa Rosa plum. This is a graft. This tree's been grafted, so it's Santa Rosa plum. Hopefully it'll mix with that Burbank plum and we'll get some plums this year. And here's my semi-rose garden that got a couple of flowers to show you. This, I have a Belinda's Dream. Look how big, and this rose right here is very weighty, very heavy. And here I have a red masterpiece rose. And yep. I'm probably wishing I had turned this camera sideways so you can probably get a better view. And I have a couple of fig trees here in the back. One's a Texas everbearing, and this is going to be a brown turkey fig, and that's really young. And look at all my, got three more trees back here. Excuse the mess. I have to walk over here. And here I have a key lime tree which I burnt. You look at all the leaves there. I put 3 types of fertilizer and really burnt this key lime tree. And here I didn't burn. this key lime tree. This key lime tree did really well last year. I think it had over 16 key limes, and that was the year I planted it. So this year I'm hoping for a lot more. And here I have another key lime tree, and I should get a lot from this one too. So hope you enjoyed it. Signing off. Thank you. Bye.